I'm Emily Gellis. Welcome to my morning routine with Joanna Vargas Skincare for fresh and glowy skin. First things first, I start with face wash, of course. This is vitamin C face wash and it smells phenomenal. So good, you're not even going to want to take it off. Few pumps. Foam it. Gotta foam it really good in your hands. Like such. Add a little water. Seriously, this smells like fresh oranges. Like I picked them myself. Okay, time to rinse off. Okay, next up, exfoliating mask. Everyone needs this. You can't live without it. I look gorgeous already, don't I? Now that my skin is nice and dry, it's time for serum. If you're living your life without serum, I don't know what you're doing. This is the Rescue Serum. A few drops and apply all over. Oops, I might have put too much. I'm glowing already, right? Okay, next steps, daily hydrating cream. If you're not using daily hydrating cream, also, I don't know what you're doing, but it's time to jump on board. The best thing is that all these products smell so amazing. You're going to be addicted to using them every single day. Is there ever too much skincare? And beauty? I don't think so. Okay, now, last step is eye cream because that is the secret to youth. This one is revitalizing eye cream. Just a few drops and you're good to go. Okay guys, that's it. My easy morning routine in under 5 minutes.